In this video, I'll show you how to update your firmware on your DJI Pocket 3 using an Android phone. So on your Android phone, you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Here, you want to go ahead and visit the DJI website and download the following APK, which is called DJI Mimo. So once you've downloaded, you want to go ahead and install this app. This is how the app looks like. Now to update your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. You can go ahead and skip this. Now let that initialize the app. Now once the app is open, you want to go ahead and turn on your gimbal. Now once the gimbal turns on, you want to go ahead and tap on device. Go ahead and enable the Bluetooth. Now here it'll recognize your Pocket 3 gimbal, so go ahead and tap on connect. Now confirm the code, tap on connect again, and you'll get this option here. New firmware is available, so if you tap on it, you'll be able to download it. However, if you miss the notification, you can go back, and at the top here, you'll see the message where it's found a new firmware. So to download this, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you that you'll need to download the firmware and will show you what's new. So go ahead and tap on download, then tap on OK. This will now start to download the firmware and it will automatically install it as well on your DJI Pocket 3. While the firmware is being updated, you want to make sure your DJI Pocket 3 and your phone are next to each other and the app is open on your phone. Now once that's done, your Pocket 3 will restart. On your phone, go ahead and tap on done. You'll get this message, updated on your DJI Pocket 3, which means you have successfully updated your firmware on your DJI Pocket 3. And there you go. That is how to update your firmware on the DJI Pocket 3 using the Android phone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.